Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Best carry-on luggage, most useful, detailed overview. The best carry-on luggage is compact, durable, and versatile. It typically measures around 22 by 14 by 9 inches, meets airline size restrictions, and features a combination of pockets, wheels, and a telescopic handle for easy maneuverability. Look for lightweight materials and high-quality zippers to ensure a hassle-free travel experience. Away, the bigger carry-on. Away is known for its stylish and durable luggage. The bigger carry-on offers ample storage space and a built-in battery to charge your devices on the go. Samsonite Winfield 3DLX Hardside Luggage. Samsonite is a well-established luggage brand, and the Winfield 3DLX is a durable and stylish hardside option with spinner wheels for easy maneuverability. Travelpro Platinum Elite Expandable Spinner Wheel Luggage. Travelpro is a favorite among frequent travelers and airline professionals. The Platinum Elite offers durability, expandable capacity, and a high-quality handle system. Briggs & Riley Baseline Domestic Carry-On Expandable Spinner. Briggs & Riley is known for its lifetime warranty and high-quality materials. This carry-on is designed for maximum packing capacity and durability. Tumi Alpha 3 Expandable International 4-Wheeled Carry-On. Tumi is known for its premium luggage, and the Alpha 3 is no exception. It features high-quality materials, expandable capacity, and smooth rolling wheels. Delsey Paris Helium Aero Hardside Luggage. Delsey is a reliable brand, and the Helium Aero offers a sleek design, expandable capacity, and spinner wheels at an affordable price. Osprey Ozone Convertible 22 inches, 50L. Osprey is known for its quality outdoor and travel gear. The Ozone Convertible is a versatile option that can be carried as a backpack or rolled like traditional luggage. Raden A28 Check-in Smart Luggage. Raden offers smart luggage with features like built-in charging, weight sensors, and location tracking. The A28 is designed to fit in most overhead bins. Rimowa Essential Cabin S. Rimowa is a luxury luggage brand with a reputation for quality. The Essential Cabin S is a sleek and durable option with a distinctive design. Eagle Creek Expanse International Carry-On. Eagle Creek is known for its durable and practical travel gear. The Expanse International Carry-On is designed to meet international carry-on size restrictions and offers organization features. When choosing the best carry-on luggage, consider factors like size, durability, ease of maneuverability, design, and any special features that may be important to you, such as built-in charging ports or expandable compartments. Additionally, always check with the airline you'll be flying with to ensure your carry-on complies with their specific size and weight restrictions, as these can vary. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.